Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CS with Rahul. In today's video, we are going to take another important question which is generally asked in the interviews. So our question is related to the Java 8 date and time API stream. Date and time API. Okay. So this type of question also sometime interviewer ask that how can we do this by using the Java 8 approach. So that we will see it. First we are checking that whether a particular year is leap year or not. Okay. For example, if user provides input 2020, then 2020 is a leap year. Okay, but 2021 is not a leap year. Another example also we can take like 1900. 1900 is also not a leap year. So by coding we will see that how can we check it. With the traditional approach also we will check, as well we will check it by the Java 8 approach. So our focus would be on Java 8, but we will see in the traditional approach so that it will be clear that how easy it is there in Java 8. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, guys, we will check that what is a leap year and how can we check. Okay. So suppose this number, this 2020 is completely divisible by 4. So if any particular number is divisible by 4, right, and not divisible by 100. So this number is divisible by 4 means that is true, and it is not divisible by 100. Okay, it is not divisible by 100, then only it is leap year. Divisible by 4 but not divisible by 100, right? If any number, like we are taking 1900, so 1900 is divisible by 4, okay, and it should not be divisible by 100, but it is divisible by 100, that's why we cannot take it as a leap year, right? Or any number which is like this number, this 2000 is divisible by 400. If any number is divisible by 400, then also it is a leap year. Okay, so there are three conditions actually, one condition and another two condition in combination, right? What is first condition? Again I am explaining, so traditional approach will be cleared here. Let me again explain that any number which is divisible by 400, okay, any number which is divisible by 400, like 2000, okay, 2000 is a leap year. Why 2000 is a leap year? Because when we will divide it by 400, it will be completely divisible. Yes. Another condition is what? Another condition is if it is not divisible by 400, like 20 and 20, right? It is not divisible by 400, but it should be divisible by 4. Yes, that is true. Means it is leap year? No. Another condition we need to check, right? Because what we need to check first? We need to check that this number should not be divisible by 100 also. In the combination of 4, we need to check this. Either we can check this. So we will use OR operator. See why we are checking with the 100? Because one year is there which is 1900. Okay, 1900 is divisible by 4 and also divisible by 100, but it should not. If it is divisible by 100, that's why it is not a leap year, right? 1900 is not a leap year. So that we will check there with the coding in the traditional approach. So first what I am going to do, I am going to take one year variable, and here I am passing like 1900, or I am passing here 2020. Okay, this I am taking. First we will see by the traditional approach how can we do it. So let's check whether this year is divisible by 4 or not. If it is divisible by 4 means it is a, or it is, if it is divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. Either, what is another condition? right? What is another condition? So here we will check if year is divisible by 400, like 2000 year, right? This is divisible by 400. Okay. Sorry, it should be divisible by 4, but not by the 100, right? Any year which is divisible by either 400, see, you can see this is divisible by this 2020 is divisible by 4, but it should not be divisible by, so another end condition, year I am passing here, year divisible by 100 not equal to 0, right? Divisible by 0, mod should not be equal to 0. So in this case mod is not equal to 0. In this case the first condition is true. In this case the first condition is not true, so we are checking with the 4, as well as what, as well as this 100, it is this in this condition, yes, this one with the 100, it is the mod is not equal to 0. If you will divide it, mod will remain something. Okay, so that's why we will say here, maybe any bracket issue will check. This is the bracket here. Let me remove unnecessary bracket here. This one, when this one, yes, here I forgot to write 0. Okay, no issues. Now it's fine. Okay, unnecessary brackets also we have removed here. So 1 year, guys, which is 1900, 1900 is divisible by 4, is also divisible by 100. That's why it is not a leap year, because this condition should be false. So it is false when we are doing what, not equal to 0, when we are keeping not equal to 0. Okay, so now here we will print what, this is the traditional approach we are following. System.out.println, all the logics we are writing here. Here we are providing leap year. If it is true, then it is leap year. Any one condition should be satisfied. Else, it is not a leap year. Not a leap year, right? Let me right click, run as Java application. See, this is leap year. Okay, if I'll provide 1900, then what should be the result? The result should be not a leap year. Okay, if I'll provide 2020, then what should be the result? The result should be leap year. Okay, guys, actually I have already recorded this video, but I forgot to switch the screen. That's why again I'm recording it. Okay, so now we will see that how can we do this approach by the Java 8. So if condition we will write, we are having year class. Inside the year class we are having off method, and directly is leap method we can do, right? So this is the Java 8 approach, very simple approach we can follow. What, first I am calling the static method year dot off method, providing my year and just calling the leap. That's it, nothing else. Okay, that's it, nothing else. So this is very simple question, guys. Okay, which you are seeing. Okay, by this approach also, let me run it leap year. Let me provide the 1900. It should not be leap year. Okay, so run it. It is not a leap year, guys. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this. You don't have any doubt this time. Okay, so what we have to do actually, you have to practice. You have to go to your year class and you have to check what other methods are there. You have to explore those methods. if you will explore those methods, then you will get to know that how and what can you do with the Java 8 date and time stream API. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video to your friends, comment how my playlist is there, that okay, which I am preparing for your interview preparation, and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you will get the updated notification very soon. We will meet in the next video with new question. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, keep coding.